In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $500 a day, no joke, working online with just copy and paste method. Let's get into it right now. Hey, what's up with you guys? This is Rafan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you that how you can make up to $500, even more, by just using this super simple strategy that I'm gonna be revealing right now. It's no joke, guys. I'm gonna prove it to you that how you can make that possible. It's super simple. It takes minimal effort in order to do that, and you're gonna see that in the next 10 minutes. But before diving into the tutorial, guys, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't done that yet, because I've noticed that over 95% of my viewers haven't subscribed to my channel, which is not really good for me, and I much appreciate it if you're watching this video and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel. Please do that. It's gonna help me more than you think. And if you like this video, at the end of it, please don't forget to tap the like button. It's gonna blow this video. Okay, let's get into it right now without any further ado. So the website as a reference that I want to show you is this website that literally shows you that you can get paid to write. So 101 sites that pay you somewhere between $50 to $3,000 per blog post. Yes, you're reading it right, per blog post, $50 to $3,000. I'm going to go over the websites that like what kind of websites they are, what they offer, how we can do that, and all this stuff. So keep in mind that you're not going to write these articles yourself. You're going to use a bot for doing that. So it's very simple, guys. I'm not gonna actually show you how to find this website and start writing articles. It's not the case. You don't have to write a single word for that. Everything is automated. So keep watching until the end of this video. It's gonna be so much fun in it. So 100 websites, let's get into it, what they are. So if you scroll down and if you click on this table of contents right here, you see that all these websites are listed here with different niches. So if I scroll down, so for example, you see that this website pays $50 to $200 per post. This one pays $150 to $700 per post. And this one, Travel Plus Leisure Magazine, pays you $1 per word. So for example, if you write a blog article with 1,000 words, it's gonna be $1,000. So that's how it works. So Vibrant Life, like $100 to $300 per post for general interest. And you scroll down, you see more topics. So these sites pay you to write jokes, $50 to $200 per post if you want to write a joke. But I don't know how many words they want. But for example, let's say that's per post. Somewhere between 1,000 words to 2,000 words, is nothing more than that. They pay you really good money, and you're gonna do it for 100% free of charge. You don't have to invest anything in it. It's 100% free of charge. And the good thing is that you don't have to do it yourself. You just use a bot that I'm gonna be showing you later, like very, very close. So this one, $1,000, 25% royalty. This one, $350, and the list goes on. So you have more than 100 websites to go for in order to write a blog post for that. So for example, these sites that pay you to write about parenting. So $100 per post for writing articles about parenting. So but let's say that we already chosen our topic and we're gonna go for parenting topic, which is right here. As you can see here, $100 per post. So you choose your topic, and the next thing you need to do, so before that, let me show you the bot that you're going to use in order to write your articles. And this bot is called quillbot.com. I don't know whether I pronounced it right or not, but this is how we can read it, quillbot.com. So this is a website that you literally put any text here and it's gonna paraphrase it for you. And the cool thing about it, that if you want to use the free version of this website, you can, like, you can change the synonyms relevancy by just scrolling this toggle left and right, and it's gonna like show you that for example here it's gonna show you the less changes, and the most changes is gonna be right here. So it's gonna do the most amount of change for this paragraph that you just literally inserted on the left side. So this is what we're gonna do. But in order to find a really good article regarding like any kind of niche, like any niche that you want to use, so just go to Google and search for parenting. So just search for parenting tutorial, something like this. And the good thing, so keep in mind that, guys, that the articles that you're finding, you gotta see that what niche, what topic you're going for. For example, if you want to write an article about travel, so you gotta find one of these articles here that actually are kind of new and fresh, and they're not so old. But about parenting, if the article is like was for 5 years ago or 4 years ago or 10 years ago, it doesn't really matter because parenting doesn't change. So I hope it makes sense. But if you want to do something that actually needs some sort of updates per year, you need to actually do that. You need to find articles that are new and fresh, and you can go for them because you need to be updated. So but for parenting, that's totally fine. The articles can be for a couple of years ago, or like, you know, for like literally for yesterday or 10 years ago. It doesn't really matter. So if you go to tools, I think you can change it. If I'm not wrong, anytime, you go to anytime, and here you can click on past year, or you can do custom range. So this is how you can sort it out. You can sort out the articles by the time they got published. So I'm gonna go for past year to see what kind of articles were published. So as you can see, we have a couple of websites right here. So I'm gonna click on this one, and then here, so this is a website, the Ultimate Parents Guide to Summer Activity Resources. So guys, this is not the best article that I'm choosing, but I'm just going to show you how it works. It's just an example. You can definitely do more research and find better articles to actually paraphrase them. So it's just an example. Let's say I've already chosen the article, and it's this one, and we want to paraphrase some sentences and some paragraphs. So for example, I'm going to go for, and the way it works is that you will start from like the top page. You're gonna start from the beginning, and then you will scroll down and you paraphrase every single sentence, or I would say every single paragraph that you're seeing here, because we want to paraphrase them. So for example, I'm gonna start with this one. I copy this, and then I go back to Quillbot, and then I paste it right here. And then I'm gonna increase the relevancy, increase the change amount, and then I'm gonna click on paraphrase. See that it's paraphrasing the sentence for me, and it's already removing the plagiarism. So it's very, very important to pass the plagiarism score, guys, because if your content has plagiarism, you're gonna get in trouble to just duplicate the contents from the other websites. So that's why we are using this bot, or you can rewrite it yourself. You can do it yourself. If you don't know how to do that, this is the best bot you can go for. So see, it totally changed this paragraph, but the meaning is the same. But the best thing you can do is just go over the text, read it one more time, make sure everything is good. If you need to tweak it a little bit, do that. And after that, you copy it, and then you open a Word and you paste it right here. And again, next paragraph, and then next. You go on for 1,000 words, 2,000 words, whatever it takes, do it. It's exactly the same thing. So once you've done that, guys, you got to do something in order to check that whether you actually pass the plagiarism score or not. So for doing that, you got to go to plagiarismdetector.net, and here you need to copy this text here, and then you paste it here to see that whether it's unique or not. So after you pasted it here, guys, you just need to scroll down and click on check plagiarism. So it's gonna take some time because it's gonna surf all around the web to actually show you whether it's passing the plagiarism score or not. So right now it's sitting at 0% to check everything and see that it's 100% unique. So we did a good job. So actually the bot has done a good job. So we just have the original text here, we pasted it, we paraphrase it to this one, and as you can see, this is 100% unique. So I'm going to show you another example. So if I just literally go back to this website, and then go back to this website and copy the whole paragraphs, right? Like 3 paragraphs if I just copy these paragraphs and go back here, and if I paste them, if I just paste them right here, I want to show you the plagiarism rates. So, we just copied and pasted it into this software to see how the plagiarism score will be look like. So we click on check plagiarism, see that it's gonna tell us that whether it's a unique or plagiarized content. So you gotta see how the score will look like. So let's wait for it to see that what a score we are gonna get. It doesn't take so long, it's probably a few seconds here and there, and then it's gonna show you the final results. So see 67%, and when we're getting into the 100% plagiarized content, we got it, and it's not good, guys. This is what I mean. That's why you need to use this software in order to make sure that everything is going well. You don't want to get in trouble, and you don't want that website that you are doing your guest posting on to actually kick you out and never let you to come back, because they probably check something here and there. They just don't allow you to upload as many articles as you want on their website without anything, and you just get paid $200 or $300. They're gonna check it, the quality, everything as well. So that's why you need to put a little bit of time and effort to make sure everything is well and tweaked, and you know that better, that how it works out. So you don't want that to get that 100% plagiarized score. It's not good. And you want to have a unique content by doing the same thing that I showed you right now. So this the second thing that you can also do after you've done all the stuff is just going to the website called clearvoice.com. So this is a freelancing net website that allows you to sell your contents to people who actually need your contents. So this is pretty cool, guys. This is 100% free of charge to sign up. There's no pricing involved. You can literally sign up as a freelancer and start selling your contents. It's mostly for freelancer, and it's it's an alternative if you want to go for this one. If you didn't like the previous method, you can go for this one. It's pretty cool. Just get into the website, see what they have, what they don't, what they provide. All this stuff are here on their website, so you can make sure everything is going well. So this is how it works, guys. This is how easy it is to make some cash on the side beside your main business, if you're interested in actually doing such a stuff without doing any effort. So this is going to be a really good thing to go for. So that's pretty much it, guys. But if you want to learn affiliate marketing, if you want to do the same thing with affiliate marketing, if you want to know how to make unique contents and put it on your own website with your affiliate links, everything is like taught by me, and then you can actually get access to my training by clicking on the link below in the description. It's going to be the first link you see, and it's gonna direct you to my course, which is about affiliate marketing. There are more than 5 modules that teaches you affiliate marketing from A to Z, every single step you need to know in order to have a profitable affiliate marketing business, which is mostly about blogging and launch jacking and all this kind of stuff, which is super beginner friendly. But if there's something that you are concerned about, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask your questions by dropping your comments below this video, or you can reach out to me personally. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you later.